Hey stranger, thanks for joining me. It's Nicole Dominique from Nicole Beauty Co. And I am super excited that you chose to click on my video about makeup brushes from Sigma. And we're going to talk about the best Sigma makeup brushes. In this video, we're going to unbox the Pro Kit and we're going to do a Sigma makeup brush giveaway, so be sure to stay to the end. Now, something I really wanted to mention before the video starts, it's so important that you know this video is not sponsored, it's not affiliated. I bought these brushes with my own money. I get zero kickback from Sigma. So just so you know, this is my honest first impression of the best Sigma makeup brushes. So let's dive in. So are you sitting there thinking, that you want to give something to somebody for Christmas, maybe yourself, maybe your friend, you're not sure what to do? Well, I'm here to try to help. Today's unboxing video is going to feature my new Sigma collection. And you can see it came in a large cardboard box. It's got tissue paper with a Sigma sticker on it. Now this was the Pro Collection brush set. It retails normally for $1.99, but they had a coupon code. I don't know if it is still good, but it was called Drop 50. It might be. And so I actually ended up paying $99 for this. So lots of internal tissue paper. We got a beautiful foil envelope of the Sigma Liquid Brush Cleanser Sigmagic Brush Shampoo formulated with natural ingredients. Give your makeup brush fibers a deep clean with Sigmagic Brush Shampoo Liquid. This brush cleanser dissolves product buildup, oil, and dirt for better skin and makeup application. Formulated with natural ingredients, it's gentle on brushes, blenders, and hands. Directions: apply a small amount of the product to wet brush fibers or blender, lather, rinse with warm water, repeat as needed. For best results, use with Sigma Spa Brush Care Tool. And its ingredients are water, coconut oil, palm oil, and potassium hydroxide. It also came with a nice little description. Oh, and it's a huge chart. Look at this. So let me hold that up. So it gives you the number of each of the brushes that they create. It shows all the different brush sets that are available. And then it gives you some of the cleaning products down here. Talks about some of their cosmetics. That's the outside. Sigma, quality, function, and innovation. Our drive is to better your beauty routine, sets the foundation for every Sigma beauty creation. We're looking to you and your everyday for inspiration. Then infusing the highest quality materials, ingredients, and technology to build solutions you'll revel in. Every innovative beauty tool, texture, formula, and cosmetic color makes your life easier, more fun, and uniquely beautiful. That is what was included. Inside the box, inside the tissue paper, our other box. This is the premium kit. The Sigma Beauty Premium Kit contains 15 professional quality brushes for the face, eyes, and lips. These brushes are unique, versatile, and the perfect addition to complete your brush collection. Brushes included the E10, a small eyeliner, the E15, a flat definer, the E20, a short shader, the E25 for blending, the E35 for tapered blending, the small tapered blending at E45, E50 for a large fluff, F10 for powder or blush, F15 the dual fiber powder and blush, F20 the large powder, F25 for the tapered face, F35 the tapered highlighter, F65 the large concealer, and another concealer at F75, the Lip L05 Kit Color Black, sigmabeauty.com. Let's bust into this bad boy. So you guys should know by now, I've done several videos. I love me some brushes. Why? Because I am too lazy to clean my brushes every day. So I need a lot of brushes, so I can only clean them once a week. Okay, so a beautiful kit, pretty sturdy. I normally do not keep kits. I'm totally keeping this one. And it says the Sigma Beauty Professional Brushes Premium Kit, Premium Professional Kit. And it's got a pretty nice zipper on it. Oh, well, yes, ma'am. Check this out. We got flap covers on our brushes, and then another page with more flap covers. Now, every single brush arrived with a plastic casing over it, protecting the brush. So this is F15, the dual fiber powder brush. Slight taper. Now, something that's interesting is I can see along where the color changes, the darker part is literally denser and this whiter part is literally less dense. I can see light through the lighter part. So that was clearly what they mean by dual fiber, is the end is clearly less and the center is clearly more. So that's very interesting. I'm going to give that a go. Next, we have our F35, the tapered highlighter. Now, I think this has a very nice taper. This is going to be good for spot application on the face because it has a more exact feel in terms of the taper of the brush. Now, something I like right away, the brushes are actually very light. They're a little shorter than I would like because I prefer, if I can, get way out on the edge because it keeps me from being too heavy-handed. And that's a problem that I frequently have as a novice makeup applicator person. I get too crazy with it, you know, but being farther out, you can do more feathery motions with less calorie use. It's just easier, so I'm going to enjoy that. It's amazing to me how light these brushes are. Something else I will say that I like right away, no scent. Sometimes you get brushes from China and they are icky smelling. I don't know, the shampoo says they are made in the Philippines. I don't know if that's just the shampoo or also the brushes, but I'm not getting any fiber shed, which is something that, you know, is annoying to me. It means that the fibers are not well glued into the ferrule. And these are synthetic brushes, which I like for a variety of reasons. They're easier to be exact in terms of the diameter of the fiber. They don't absorb. They're not porous the way real natural hair brushes are. Here's our large fluff E50. Very nice shape. This is a more stiff brush. I'm going to enjoy that brush for blending. We have the large concealer F65. Very, very flexible fibers on this one. So I have another brush that's somewhat similar on my table. And this is the Ideal Bare Essentials. Look how much bigger the fibers are in this one. They're like way out there, but actually fairly stiff. There's definitely some flex to them, but this isn't a brush that I'd be like, I can see why they use it for concealer because you're trying to be so exacting with it. You're not trying to be like splash concealer everywhere. So this is their regular concealer, F75, and a very, very pointed nib on that. That's definitely going to be a much more precise tool due to the head. Blending E25. And this is probably one of my smaller blending brushes, but again, it does have quite a little resistance to it, which I like when I'm blending, because if the whole point is that I'm blending, I don't want it to be so soft that it doesn't do anything. So that's going to be cool. This one, the tapered blending E35, this one is more of your you know, straight fluffy brush. This one feels really good in the hand. I like brushes that have a diameter that fits the action that you're doing with it. So like on a blush brush, I tend to want a fatter handle. On an eyeshadow brush, I tend to want a thinner handle. And all these handles are appropriately sized. They're not all the same size. We have E45, the small tapered blending. Very, very soft, very fluffy. That one's neat. Okay, the short shader, E20. Yep, this is going to be a great one. Really nice. I like it. E20. This is a unique shape for me. This is E15, the flat definer. I don't have a brush currently in my collection that is straight up flat like this. This is going to be really nice if I'm trying to do kind of like my faux cat eye, where I'm using my eye makeup to just come from back here and create a cat's eye look using a shadow and not a liquid. I'm going to enjoy that. The small eyeliner, E10. And after you take the cellophane pocket off, I noticed that it also has a protective head on it. That's hard plastic. Boom, like threading a needle. The small eyeliner, E10. Now, I've never tried like the gel liners that they have in the little pots. Maybe I should try that with that. That would be kind of cool. All right. The lip, L05. It has a nice metal tube for that to go into. Looks like a, I don't know, doesn't look like a makeup brush. I'll leave that to your imagination. We have our F10 powder and blush. Oh, soft and fluffy. Soft and fluffy, so yeah. Oh my gosh, this is the biggest brush in my collection. The Tapered Face, F25. Super soft. Good flex, but there's still a little bit of give to it. You can see it's got a teardrop or an arrowhead shape to it. This brush is very sizable compared to my face. Covers up my my entire eye. It's covered with this brush. This is amazing. Wow, we are going to enjoy deploying that. F20, crazy luxurious. This thing, again, compared to my eye, my mouth, this is a substantial brush. I feel like I could throw this brush. If I hit somebody in the head, it would really leave a knot. This isn't just a brush. This is a self-defense weapon. This thing is, boom, it's so big. The moment you've all been waiting for. The giveaway, the giveaway. So, to the first person who comments, I want it. I am going to send you an F30, which is extremely similar to this, but it's not sold in the kit, which is a large powder brush for you to try. Merry Christmas. I love to spread the goodwill and cheer, so just comment on the bottom of this video, I want it. First person, I will get with you. I will send you my email. You will send me your address. I will send that in the mail. I like it. $99 with their coupon code. Like I said, I bought off Instagram and they just had drop 50. I have no idea if it'll work, if it won't work when you're seeing this video, but it worked for me. And so this brush, which they said was $199, I got for $99. And I am very happy with my purchase. I am going to put that with my many other brushes because y'all know I'm not great at cleaning my brushes. I know. I shouldn't admit that on camera, but it's the truth. I mean, If you saw my video on what was supposed to be 2 colors of eyeshadow plus white, which is what I'm currently modeling, you can see there's a lot of peach in there. Why? Because I picked up a brush and I didn't tap it off, and I didn't fluff out the powder, and it had powder remnant, and it contaminated my whole look. But I'm only going to the drugstore, so that's cool. But yeah, that's a pretty nice buy. I'm pretty stoked about it. I think that I'm going to be able to get a really good use out of those brushes. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for joining me. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the bell for notifications. I would appreciate it. It's not required, but it would be super dope if you did. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for joining me.